You see the debris? I know it's not over with, but do you see all this debris?
Look, they said it's if it get stronger. Let it go, Mom. Look, I got a better shot from here than I do from over there. They just went through Pantago.
Yeah,
I know.
Pantago's like down the road, right?
Yeah. I just heard that they are still following one on Green Oaks.
Back this way. This is it here. All these storms over here is moving. It's moving back towards Euless. They said this one right here is getting stronger again.
Look, all the debris is coming down from the
My
side.
phone's not really focusing on it, but
You'll see it in the tornado.
Get over here! Get this side. Get esa muñeca. ¿Ya viste? Súbete así.
We'll probably get hit with another line here in just a little bit that's moving this way.
yeah.
I said we got another line that's coming towards us too.
It's okay, sube así.
I was just watching on the news and they were following one on Green Oaks right up the street.
You can see a little circulation in this one here when you look at it.
So crazy.
You can see just a little bit of circulation in it still. That's where all these leaves are coming from. It's raining leaves, look at this.
It's crazy.
That's what that tornado. Yeah, I mean, like it's just right here.
It's just crazy.
That one, when it come right up in here a couple years ago. Matter of fact, it just come up forth right up here. It hit the feed store.
I remember.
The power plant here. Well, that one was going through there. I had one come right over my house. I was watching the cloud just do this. It was just doing like a great big old thing. I said, oh, Lord, don't make that thing come down.
Oh, it's crazy.
Oh, we got lucky. It just
We
went,
did. It went just right that way, huh?
Not by far either. I mean, just did miss us. We got lucky on this round.
Yeah. We weren't lucky, we're protected. Uh-oh, somebody's dog just got out. Is it that Doberman?
He took a wee yesterday. He got out. He was